Excuse me, baby. Hmm? That's because the other one works.
That blue one's the only one that works.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the only one that works.
Close. Stop. Stop. Zamora. You don't listen. I'm not playing with you. Get your shoe. Get your shoe. Huh.
They're talking to you.
We don't let kids be mods. Sorry.
It's open up. No, let me open that, please. Only in 2 hours. What is this you can put in there?
I ain't putting all of them. Huh, you can go right this way.
Ain't no bag, so I don't know.
You want a paper bag out of there.
Paper bag.
I got a cabinet to put all of them.
Huh?
It's in that cabinet.
In this guy?
Go.
I ain't gonna do it.
Move.
Baby, you got a spoon, baby.
Look, I gotta turn it in the cabinet.
David, you gotta go back in the front room, baby. Come on. Come on. Baby, you can't play in these drawers, baby.
Sorry. Can you see what's butter?
Huh?
Mommy.
You say what, baby?
Butter. Where is this go?
I'll show you this room.
Yes, baby. Wait, don't. Okay, I'm trying to make you something to eat. Okay, go tell your sister to come eat. Go tell your sister to come here and eat. Nani, come here. It's time to come eat. It's time to come eat. You probably not even gonna eat. Ah. Huh. Go to the way. You have some else more. Go away. Go away.
Excuse me, mama. Excuse me, mama. Excuse me.
Throw it away. Let me see that. Alright, y'all. Hope this is good. Sounds like a new little pasta I just made. I'm just giving the girls a little bit because they're probably not going to eat it all. So.